Hello and welcome to a trade video from True North Trading. I'm just going to recap AUD USD and my idea of where I think it's going to go. So as previous on the weekly recap, I spoke about how I was expecting this pair to go higher. I felt like it's had a pullback now into the region where the pair can eventually move higher. Basically in the last 4-hour close, which I'll just go into the 4-hour. 60. Oh, it's not giving me the 4-hour. 1 second, I'll have to go back. So if we go on to the 4-hour, we've had a very strong close with a pin bar. Basically, that's a pin bar candle. So that's told me basically that price has rejected this area here, which again has been like a crucial, area for support and resistance. If I go back into the daily, see there, it's kind of a way that it'd carry on all the way through. So let me just pull over to here. So yeah, and if you can see on the daily, we are starting to form a doji. So again, that's another candlestick for a reversal. So as well, like my bias on this pair is that it would go higher. We're looking at the 4-hour, we've got a nice retracement here down to the 50% area. Yellow area is really where I originally, I think on my video, it is pulled back to the yellow area, which is around 61.8. But just going off that previous 4-hour candle, it's been a big rejection off the current support resistance, which if I go into the blue, was here. This is an area it's been rejected a few times. The trend line that I've drawn from there to there, so we've had a move. We've had a breakout, which I think could be a fake out. And then we've had 2 candles, but it's just after this 1-hour candle here. That's candle that's kind of give me a bit of strength that we are probably going to, reverse up. But then again, we could just bounce back up to here and then back down. But again, that's trading. So I am just waiting this out a moment. Probably I'd say till tonight. I'm going to just see what the pair does because as well, AUD USD, it does seem to come alive at night as long as with NZD USD. So like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little short video, give you an update on what's going on. I will be posting this on the True North FX story on Instagram, so at True North FX. And I'm just going to obviously keep you guys updated with what's going on. Once I enter a trade, I will obviously tell you when I'm in. But right now, looking at how price is playing out, this is my idea. So yeah, that's a short video on AUD USD. I am also just going to recap GBP NZD, which I've put out there today. As originally, like I said, I had a position somewhere around here on the weekend, and we got taken out at break even at market open as we had a jump, which I did initially said was 50 pips up. So then that gave me the way the market started to move out, that did give me a bias on like I say, to go long. If you look on this, we have now broken out of this this area, and this has been quite a, before, I think when I was in the trade, I was saying, I think I entered somewhere around here before. Yeah, that was it. On that breakout there. Originally, I was going to wait for a pullback, so I think I ended up getting in somewhere up here. So I will adjust this. Originally, like I say, sorry, one moment. Yeah, I did say about a pullback, but I didn't think it was going to come the way we started powering on. But then when I got in, obviously, it did reverse later on. We got the pullback like I initially wanted, but I was already in with a stop loss. I think the stop loss is actually around there somewhere. It's about 40 pips somewhere. So I can't remember the price. I'll tell you now what I'm in at. If you follow the Instagram, you'll know what I'm in at. So 97.10 I was in at. So a couple of pips from there. There we go. And then I had a 40 pip stop loss. So as you can see, price did come back down, but then I still had faith. I did move my stop loss to break even, but when I was watching the trade and the way it started to reverse it coming down, I moved my stop loss. I think I actually moved it up to 90. I think I did. Yeah, I did. Oh no, I didn't. No, it'd have been lower than that. 80 might have been. Yeah, I think I moved it back to 80. And obviously I'm still in this trade, so it did reverse back. But again, that area that was crucial to break over the last couple of days, that's the point where we got a retest off. But then huge bullish engulfing to break through this next area of resistance, which is what we needed. And now we're just testing this area again. But this pair has a lot of room to move. With a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing on there. Like I said again, the wick, is a bit worrying. It has rejected this area slightly, but on the next candle now, if we can keep going, once we close fully above this area, it could just keep rising up to that next resistance area. So yeah, that's my target for GPNZD. It'd be nice to get that. Nice 250 pips at least there. So yeah, I'm currently in this trade. This has been posted out on the Instagram. So yeah, that's the 2 trades I'm currently monitoring. I'll let you know if there's any more that I get into. As you can see, I've got a lot of red flags what I've been waiting for. So yeah, that's my video done. So thanks for watching. Again, please follow us on the Instagram if you don't already. Cheers. Thank you.